Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be trying to paint the Ebony Sunset painting by Bob Ross. I have the small canvas on which I had previously painted something, but I don't like it, so I don't want to waste the canvas, so I'll be using this. Now I'm going to be mixing Crimson Lake with a little bit of black and painting the whole canvas with it. This will be our base coat. I'm just putting a little bit of brown to the edges of the canvas. Now for the sunset look, I'll be using a little bit of yellow and orange, and we'll just be dabbing it on the canvas, just spreading it around and letting it mix with the background. It'll become darker, and I'm gonna be doing this until I'm satisfied with the way it looks. I'm just gonna keep repeating it, and this is how it looks without the table lamp. I'm just making tiny foothills in the back. Now I'll be adding highlights to the foothills using yellow and just sort of blending them in. Just keeping on doing the same thing, adding the highlight and blending them in. Now I'll be making a small lake, so I will have to make the reflections of the hill using orange. Just place the paint and pull it down and make horizontal strokes so that you just blur the brush strokes a little but not completely removing them. Now I'll be making tiny trees all the way in the back. Now using the palette knife, I'll be making the waterline. Now I'm gonna make huge trees and bushes by mixing brown, black and a little bit of sap green and dabbing them on the canvas. Now to make the tree trunks, I'll be mixing brown and black, and I'll be using palette knife to make the trunks. Now I'll be adding highlights to the tree by using yellow. This is how it looks when I blend them. Now to make the bushes and trees leaves, I'll be using yellow mixed with green. You can also use orange and just dabbing it on the canvas. That's it. This was my small attempt at making the Ebony Sunset painting by Bob Ross. Hope you enjoyed it. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.